Hey guys, it's Caitlin here, and I've got a great summertime recipe for you. So during the summer, I personally always find myself reaching for the rainbow of fruits and vegetables to make all sorts of salads. I love coming up with different salads, and it all depends on what I've got in my refrigerator. But one thing that I come back to time and time again is this awesome pan-fried corn. It's what I like to call hot corn for cold salads, but it's not a corn salad. Rather, it's really an add-in for any salad that you make that makes it absolutely delicious. When you throw a handful of this warm corn right from the skillet into your salad of choice, I promise you that salad is going to get gobbled up in no time. But that said, you can also serve this as a delicious side dish on its own. I really make it all summer long, and everyone I've ever made it for raves about it. Happily, all you need is 5 ingredients. There's the corn, of course, butter, smoked paprika, salt, and pepper, plus some water. So let's get started with the recipe. This recipe is so quick. It'll take me as long to tell you how to cook it as it took me to convince you that you should make it. So to start cooking the corn, heat a skillet over medium-high heat, add the butter, and let it melt. So you can start with fresh or frozen corn. If you're using fresh, I just shuck the corn, cut the ears of corn in half crosswise, and then cut the kernels off. You want to cut it off so that you get as much kernel as possible, but not so much that you're getting those silly corn ribs. It's easy because your knife is stable and the kernels don't have that far to fall, which means that they won't scatter all over your floor and countertop. So once the butter's melted, add the corn to the pan and stir to coat in the butter. Season with smoked paprika, black pepper, and salt. Let the corn fry in the butter for about 3 minutes. Next, add a quarter cup of water and let the corn steam for 1 to 2 minutes in the pan. You can cover it, but there's really no need. When the water has cooked off, let the corn brown for another 3 to 4 minutes over medium-high heat until it gets some nice color. That's really the trick of this recipe. The water allows the corn to steam and keeps it moist in the pan, and it also helps release starches. So when the water evaporates, you're actually left with caramelized, buttery, starchy, yummy bits. It's kind of like the lacy bits that you get when you pan-fry dumplings or Japanese gyoza. So make sure to scrape up all those tasty bits when you transfer the corn to a bowl. You can serve this as a side dish or do what I like to do, which is pile it onto a salad and mix it in. Warm corn on a cool salad is one of the best combinations. It's a little slice of summery heaven, so much so that when sweet bicolor corn starts hitting the market, I make it a point to buy that awesome bicolor height of summer corn, cut the kernels off the cob, and freeze bags of the stuff so I can make this pan-fried corn all year round and have a little taste of summer whenever I want. We hope you like this one. You can find the full recipe over at thewalksoflife.com. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and subscribe for more.